Hi, in this video I'll talk about preparation, how to make the channel building process easy and fast. But I should start with a short, what is a TV channel? With TV Boss Fire you can build so-called on-demand TV channels for Roku and Amazon Fire. Basically we will help you put your video content on any TV screen that has a Roku or Amazon Fire device enabled on them. To publish a channel on both these networks you'll need a couple of, let's call them, assets. You'll need a TV feed. Now, what's a TV feed? Imagine the TV feed something like, let's say your web page where you have a domain name and a website built to show your articles, images and the content you want to share with your visitors, and they can visit your web page from a browser. TV Boss Fire will help you do the same, but with your video content, and in this case your visitors will be watching your content on the TV screen and your content will be published on TV networks like Roku and on Amazon Fire, for now. TV Boss Fire was specifically designed to help you build this feed or feeds in the easiest and fastest way possible. You can look up our time challenge video to see how long it takes to build a channel from start to finish. Then you'll need content. The content in this case is video. Like the content for your web page needs a hosting, aka storage, where you can keep your images, your files and your website structure. In this case you need a video hosting for your video content. But about this part we can go into it further in a dedicated tutorial that we've made. You'll also need some thumbnail images. If you think about YouTube, when you browse YouTube, you first see an image and then you decide if you want to click on it or not. You'll need something like that for your TV channels too. Then you'll need some branding images. And of course, you will need a free Roku and or Amazon developer account. And about all these assets, we've dedicated and detailed video tutorials, okay? Now, the preparation process can make the difference between building a channel in minutes or in hours, so pay attention. First, you need to learn how to use the platform properly. Like any new software or platform, you need to understand how the platform works. I recommend the tutorial videos need to be watched at least twice. Take notes, make a list with what you may need, like images, branding, video links, and anything else you'll need to use later. Then compare the notes from your first view with the second one. This way you can see what you've already understood or what part of the video tutorial section you need to revisit. After you have your list, you should start collecting all your assets in one place. I recommend creating a folder or two on your desktop so you can put it all in one place for everything that you may need to build your channel properly or will need to use. Like your branding images for Roku and for Amazon Fire. You can put it in the same folder for your channel data, the description, your Roku developer account settings, the list with the video files that you need to make, and you'll need to basically use them a little later. When you have everything in one easy place to access, the channel building process will be a fast one. That's all for now. See you in the next video.